I am really about to piss some people off with this, but I really don't care. If you believe in your Jesus Christ, stop coming to the Yanni Fives and the Bible Hours for readings. I have had so many Christians come to me for work because they didn't cast the spells on other folks, but then at the same time, other folks didn't cast the spells on them. It is so ridiculous. A lot of y'all know the passage of the book, but also do the work and then sit up here and try to take cover when people start working y'all for real, for real. Y'all can't get mad at Sister Sarah for being an usher and been doing this for 7 years, okay? And then turn around and then cast the first stone after you done threw the first lightning bolt, okay? Y'all sitting up here going at it with each other and going to war. I didn't have to do readings for pastors, apostles, and so much more, and then had to do work. A lot of y'all need to tell the truth to your congregation. Oh, please preach the truth, because some of y'all got altars in your churches. I didn't have to go to churches and seen altars and had to pray over the altar and then activate the altar for some of these pastors. Y'all sitting up here talking about this when y'all don't even understand that Jesus is a whole demon for real, but we ain't gonna talk about that. And y'all been praying and then not understanding why the cross is the way that it is. But thank you to Father Eshu. We understand what the crossroads really mean. The crazy thing about it is that society teaches you that the crossroads is negative energy, but then you have artists that go to the crossroads for wealth and abundance, but teach you how ignorant you are, and y'all don't understand. Even Bone Thugs made a song about the crossroads. Muddy Waters made a song about the crossroads. Rick Ross has things about the crossroads. Hell, if we gonna take it a step further, Kirk Franklin had mentioned a couple of crossroads in his song. The point still remains. Y'all sit up here and talk about y'all got faith in your God and your Jesus, but you're sitting up here doing stuff that you ain't got no business doing, operating in our spiritual realm. I suggest y'all take and see, and this is what that lets me know. Y'all walking with the demons because, see, y'all not supposed to be casting the first stone. Y'all supposed to be turning the other cheek. But y'all up here slapping bitches more than a little bit and taking each other's husbands for real, for real. So much negative energy for real, for real. So let's just be real. Who is the demons? Let's be real for real, because if we go in that Bible, a lot of them things were curses.